My name is Brandon Hill. I'm a commercial and portrait photographer. I shoot a lot of people for advertising and magazines. Today, instead of using a camera, we're using a phone. The Sony Xperia 1 and Xperia 5. 3 lenses built in. Standard, telephoto, and it's got a wide. The other cool thing about this is eye autofocus, which is really cool because as a portrait photographer, I'm always trying to nail that eye so it's in focus every time. I'm really excited to see how this is going to work out. So my crew is finishing up. We're going to take the model outside and get to know the Xperia a little better. I just want to see the light on your face here. That's dope. So this is really cool because we have hard light hitting her, the eye is staying in focus, and her skin isn't getting overexposed because of the sun. I'm using standard here, but this could be a cool scenario where we use wide. That's cool. Look at that.
Ooh, that is cool.
Yeah, let's try around the corner. That is awesome. So I've had situations like this before where I have to have the model slow down more, but I'm not having to stop the momentum. That's great. The wow moment for me was how it could nail sharpness on the eye. It was pretty stunning. I'm a little curious to see how this can handle a studio situation with hot lights, not the sun. She's going to be moving pretty fast. I'm not sure what it can do. So right now we're moving from an outside scenario to a little bit more of a studio conceptual setting. We got a cool prop with a trampoline. We're going to see what it does with some high shutter speed stuff. Okay, cool. Now let's try a little hopping. So we put our model on the trampoline, we pushed the camera probably to its max, the fastest shutter speed, the best ISO for the conditions, and I just had the flexibility of moving it around something way lighter than a thick, chunky cam. While I was shooting stills, my crew was shooting behind the scenes footage with another Xperia in 4K video, and it looked pretty great. So we were taking a quick break and then we flipped the lights, made them pink, and I saw something really cool. Oh, you're right there. That's good. Beautiful. Yeah, now turn towards me just a little bit.
Wow. I mean, come on.
Here's a wide angle. That's kind of cool. Get one step closer to me, just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Yeah. This is tracking really well.
Whoa. It's so fun.
I think what blew me away was that the IAF is unbelievable. I didn't know that you could have that technology in a phone. I thought that was maybe only possible in a mirrorless camera, but the fact that it could track the eye and keep it tack sharp blew me away. That's really sharp. We walked away and we felt like we nailed it. This looks awesome. High five.
Yeah, thank you.
High five.
Yeah.